Okay, so this time
Alright,
we're squishing up the plastic and pushing it down on the track.
We're gonna try experimenting with this plastic bag. So maybe if we just try to make a small section that can grab onto, it'll go down. I don't seem to know.
No, you gotta get
let's
the air
clench
out of
it up.
If it's full of air, it won't work.
Ow.
Well, you film and I'll do
Hang on.
How's that?
Where do I? Let me. Hold on. Let me put this. Can I put this on here?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just put that there for now. Oh, that's what you.
Stuff it under the water. Push it down.
Stuff it in the trapway?
Yeah.
Like how?
As far down as you can. Yeah. So that the weight of the water's on top of it. Well, you got to be able to see it.
I can see it.
Okay.
I can see it a little bit.
All right. Are you recording this?
All right. Now I can. No, I have to take. I'm going to. It's still recording.
Now. All right.
All right. Now we're going to. As you can see, try this out. Looks like it's already clogged. Because I see it looks like the water's a bit above the normal level for it. So here we go. Fail. It's all the way up to the rim now.
Okay. Not gonna work. Give me that plastic bag.
Can you
hand it to me?
Oh, why?
Okay.
That's it.